If you want to connect a USB flash drive to Google Pixel 11, what you can do is you can simply connect your flash drive to the USB-C port that we have at the bottom of the phone, which we usually use to, let's say, charge the phone. Now, in case you have a flash drive that looks more or less like this, so you have USB-A flash drive with this bigger USB, then of course you will not be able to directly connect it to your Google Pixel 11. If you have USB-C flash drive, then of course you should be able to do that. But in the case of USB-A flash drive, you need to use an adapter that looks, for example, like this. So this is an example, very simple adapter that converts USB-A to USB-C, which allows me to connect my flash drive to the phone. So I connect the flash drive to the adapter, and then I connect the adapter to the phone, just like that. And there we go. Then you should be able to see a notification that the flash drive has been connected, or something similar to that. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.